Velvet ant. A velvet ant's defensive sting is actually delivered through a stinger that is up to half of the length of its body. This ant is often nicknamed the cow killer due to its sting. On the Schmidt's Sting Pain Index, this insect ranks 3 out of 4. Additionally, they can inflict an excruciating sting if stung. Fireflies. By themselves, fireflies are not bad-looking insects. The common eastern firefly of eastern North America has a rose-colored thorax with a black spot, and its elytra are black and edged with yellow. Broad-winged katydid. This insect joins the list of beautiful bugs because of its color, which is the fresh, bright green of a new leaf. Indeed, the shape and color of this katydid's body causes it to all but disappear as it rests on a leaf, and its favorite habitats are meadows and in the vegetation that grows alongside roads and railroad tracks. As a member of the Microcentrum genus, it has a compressed body and an angle to its wings that makes its shape especially pleasing. Like their distant relative the grasshopper, the katydid has long back legs that allow it to leap several times the length of its own body, but it can also fly. The broad-winged katydid is mostly found in the southern United States. Ladybug. Ladybugs or ladybird beetles are not only pretty but cute, with their round bodies and the black polka dots that cover their elytra, which are often cheerful red, orange, or yellow. Dragonflies. As ladybugs are efficient terrestrial predators, dragonflies are predators of the air. They can be easily identified by their long, spindle-like abdomens, huge eyes, and their agility while in flight. Powered by huge transparent wings that they hold out horizontally when they're at rest, dragonflies are also among the prettiest insects. Mourning cloak butterfly. Since no list of the prettiest insects would be complete without butterflies and moths, the butterfly on this list is the mourning cloak. Found in North America and Eurasia, this gorgeous butterfly looks like no other. The top of its wings is a velvety dark maroon. The edges are ragged and edged with what looks like gold leaf. There are iridescent blue spots between the maroon and the gold. The underside of the wings is filled with striations of gray, and the golden edges of the wings are visible. Males and females are alike. Rosy maple moth. The rosy maple moth is a silk moth, a family that contains some of the most beautiful moths. It gets its name because its caterpillar mostly feeds on several species of maple trees, sometimes defoliating them in the process. Ironically, the adult doesn't eat. Picasso bug. This exotic bug, whose scientific name is Sphaerocoris annulus, looks like a child picked up some paints and carefully painted all kinds of abstract designs on its back. Found in sub-Saharan Africa, the Picasso bug grows to only 1/3 of an inch long. Orchid mantis. The astonishing orchid mantis is one of a group of mantids that mimic flowers. In this case, it mimics the sugar pink Phalaenopsis orchids found in the tropical rainforests of Southeast Asia. It is nearly impossible to see this colorful insect when it rests among the petals of this orchid. 4 of its 6 legs look like the orchid's petals, which leaves the other 2 to grab prey. Chrysina oregens. The reason is simple. It looks like a drop of molten gold. Even though it has an exoskeleton made of chitin like the lowliest cockroach, the light plays upon it in ways that give it its shimmering look. Chrysina oregens is native to the rainforests of Costa Rica.